Welcome to Bitboy Crypto. My name is Ben. Today we're going to be taking a look at our portfolios that we put together for the channel. These are real portfolios containing real cryptocurrency, if cryptocurrency is real. Is it just magic internet money? Who knows? So here we are on our dashboard. See, our portfolio total is $37,187. Now, we have a $25,000 portfolio. We have a $10,000 portfolio. We have a $1,000 portfolio, and then we have a $5,000 ISO 20022 portfolio. Here's a little bit about our, that's the last 3 months. As you guys can see here, man, you go to the last day, looks a little bit better. Come here to the week, also looks better. And side note, these numbers are thrown off over here. If you see these, it says 76 to 86K. There was a day where we had deposited a bunch of money into this exchange account, and the long and short of it is, I don't think we can fix it. So we're just gonna deal with it, but the chart is actually still the same. So, all right, let's go down here and check out our assets. Let's see all our assets across all our portfolios. Let's take a look and see if there's anything we can figure here. This is for the day. Let's see if we have any coins that have been positive for us. ICP has been crushing it, up 17% since we added it. Cosmos, up 26% since we added it. I got an idea. Let's break some of that Cosmos down because if you remember correctly, we bought Cosmos because we thought it was gonna pump, and sure enough, it has. So let's take some profits on that. Man, look at that near protocol down 40%. XDC network up 2%. Wow. You can see my coin diversity here. Algorand, ETH, ADA, ICP, XRP, USDC, Matic, Link, and other. So there you go. We got nothing making up more than 20% of our portfolio. Let's go over here and check out our wallets. Okay, let's go over here to our 1,000 or 10K portfolio. This is where we got the Atom. So here's what we're gonna do this week, guys. Atom has been crushing it. As you can see, it's up 26% since we bought it. So what that means is we made a free 26%. Let's take that and put that into another coin. I am partial to, right now, as I talked about last week on our portfolio video, talking about different niches, to layer twos. So we're gonna take Atom, we're gonna break it into $1,000. We're gonna pull 1,000 out. We're gonna keep 878 in here, and then we're gonna split that between Optimism and Matic. We're gonna put $500 each into those. So that's what we're gonna be doing on this portfolio. You guys can see it's down a little bit. Now we also have some stables here. We have $700 in stable coins. The prevailing thought is you always wanna have stable coins in your portfolio, and I probably said it a lot, because that's kind of what you're just supposed to say in crypto. But if the market is bottomed, why would you not want to have it all in? Just saying. At least almost all of it. We've got 20% pretty much left, or less than 10% now. Now let's check out the ISO 20022 portfolio just briefly. Nothing really to look at here. Algorand, I just got off an interview with HBAR's, Hedera's co-founder. Dr. Lehman Beard. Very interesting conversation you guys are gonna hear in a couple weeks. Yeah, so we're gonna stand pat here. We're gonna wait for Algorand and ADA to make big moves, and then we're gonna diversify that. That's what we're doing in this portfolio. Let's go over here to our $1,000 portfolio. We have Algo, ETH, ADA, ICP, USDC, XRP, and Sand. And I tell you, I don't like that we have zero exposure in this $1,000 portfolio to Matic or Optimism. I'm gonna go ahead and take our last $100 in USDC here, and I'm going to move that to Polygon or Matic, because I just believe you gotta have some exposure to layer twos, and unfortunately we do not have one in here. We also do not have a big pumper that we can take profits from. So we're gonna roll our last $100 in. We're gonna roll the dice, guys. I feel more and more confident every day that the bottom for this cycle is in. It may not be, but I feel confident, and that's the way that I'm making moves on this. As you guys can see, we're down 4.64% since we started. Not too bad considering we started at a time when I believe Bitcoin was above $20,000. And you just gotta be patient. You gotta stay pat. You gotta hold tight. That's what we're doing. And it looks like we're very close back to breaking even. And then we can start heading in the right direction, get some coin pumps here and there. We're gonna take profits all throughout the bear market. Gonna take them all throughout the bull market. You guys are gonna get to track it live. Can't wait until this number is higher than where we started. All right, guys, that's all I got. Be blessed. Bitboy out.